Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this electron.js video tutorial we will learn that how we can generate a software from electron.js. Software generation means how we can make a proper build, and after that you can run this build inside the any other folder. You can install it, or you can use it in the another computer also, right? Before just going to jump in this video, I want to tell you two things. One, currently I am using the Linux system, so don't worry if you are using the Windows or Mac system. The process will be same for every system, right? Actually, electron.js will detect your operating system and generate the build according to it. You cannot generate Windows or Mac build inside the Linux system. If you have a Linux system, then you can only generate the Linux build, and if you have the Windows or iOS operating system, then you can generate the respective builds only, right? Second thing, when we are generating the software from the electron.js or making the build, then there are the two kinds of build. One is installable, second is just kind of SDK. You don't need to install them, you can just use like a file, right? But they will work, the work of the both software will be same. So in this video we will learn that how we can generate non-installable or non-executable software. In the next video we will learn that how we can make them installable. The reason behind it, because for that, to make it installable, we need to add some configurations, and I just want to tell you everything step by step, so that the both video will be short and easy to understand, right? So first of all, let's just close this windows and all, and just go to the package.json, and you need to just do two things here. One, you need to install the electron builder, and then we need to create a new script file also, right? So let's open a command line here and just go inside this folder, dashboard electron YouTube, and here we are. So yes, when you basically okay, so first of all, there will be one error, so I just want to introduce this error also, because when you are making the build first time, there is a 80% chance that you will face that error also, right? But I will tell you whenever it will come, right? So first of all, let's install the electron builder. So for that you need to run the command npm install --dev, and then use electron -builder, right? Hit command, and it will just take some moment to install it depending on internet speed. And now you will find that this electron builder will be generate a new dependency or some other code. Like here you can see that this is generated, right? And actually this is the bug, right? So I will tell you that how, but before that, let's add a build command, and you need to just add here electron -builder or electron-builder, right? And now just run here npm run build, and now let's see what we are getting. Boom. So we got an error here. Package electron builder is only allowed inside the dev dependencies. Please remove it from the dependencies. So when you just check this error on the internet, you will find that there's a lots of people who actually getting this error. Like, so actually I already searched this, so you can see that, right? 1 2 3, and lots of people actually getting here. The solution is very simple. You can just cut this electron builder from here to here and just remove this part, right? And even you can just take this part if you want, but just make it blank, right? Or you just remove it, the electron builder, from this part. And now just clear everything and write here npm run build, and it will now generate a new folder here with the name of dist. Yes, this folder is also configurable. We can just make this folder like a build folder or whatever we want, but by default it will make a dist folder. So now let's jump in this folder via you can window explorer, and here you can find that there's a lots of file. For that we don't need to care about the all these files, like what is the YML and snap and folder kind of things, right? we just need to take care about only one file, which is YouTube minus 1.0.0 app image. This is your software actually, and sometime it take too much time to make a build, because it's actually depend on your npm package size, your application size, your code size and all. So at least if you are making the build first time, wait for 5 minutes, because some people actually just think that this is just gonna stuck here and now it will not going to work, right? So even you can see that we have a very small application with a 2 or 3 pages, and it will take time, right? So now everything is fine. So and now let's click on it, and now you can see that this is working fine. There is a no command line and no npm start is here, and this is working fine. So this is our working software. You can move it from one system to another system. Keep in mind, your when you just generate this field in the Linux file, it will work only Linux system. When you generate this field from the Mac or Windows system, then they will work on a respective system. So let's say I just want to use from outside of this environment, so I just cut it from here to dashboard, right? And I'm just going to pasting it, right? And I can just double click on it, and you can see that this is working fine, right? Even child windows is working fine. So that's the great thing. So this is the way that how you can use it. Yes, now you are just feeling that this is not installable, this is not a next and not asking for the terms and condition. In the next video we will just add the lots of configuration about the terms and condition, and how we can make the installable file name and file icon change. We will just check everything. So for a moment, thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, because there is a lots of more video that will come for Electron.js, like how we can use it in the Angular and how we can use the Electron with the React.js and all, right? So bye bye, take care, thank you.